Today we will discuss on the division Filicophyta of pteridophytes. The system of classification of ferns followed is outlined below is based on Smith 1955, Bold 1957 and Zimmerman 1959. Class first, Primophilicopsida, Eusporangiopsida, Protoleptosporangiopsida and Leptosporangiopsida. In the class Primophilicopsida, they are fossil plants that first appeared in the Middle Devonian and become extinct in Lower Permian. Sporangia were terminal in position and maximum of the plant's pteridophytes were homosporous, while some are heterosporous in the class Primophilicopsida. The sporangia in the class Primophilicopsida were eusporangiate and having thick walled. The class Primophilicopsida has been divided into four orders: Protopterydials, Cynopterydials, Cladoxylales, Archaeopterydials. The first order is Protopterydials. It is having the following characteristic features: fern-like plants. They are known from the mid-Devonian. They resembled in some xylophytes on frond structure. They all are homosporous. Heterosporous Protopterydials were not found. Annulus absent. Examples in this order are Protopterydium and Neurophyton. In the order Cynopterydials, the ferns included in this order are all extinct. They are known mainly from Devonian, Carboniferous and Permian rocks. Plants were small, they were erect, creeping or climbing. Their leaves differ only slightly from the stem. They were eusporangiate and usually homosporous. But Stauropteris was heterosporous. There is an exception. Some had annulus. The examples which the pteridophytes included in these orders are Stauropteris, Anchylopteris, Botryoteris and Zygopteris. This is a picture of Stauropteris. Class Primophilicopsida. The another order, Cladoxylales, extinct fern-like plants from the Middle Devonian to the Lower Carboniferous. Stems were dichotomously branched and polystylic. Vascular system was highly complex. On the one hand, they resemble Xylophyta. On the other hand, they resemble Cynopterydials. Pteridophytes included under order Cladoxylales are Cladoxylon and Pseudosporophnus. This is the picture. Here you can see the Cladoxylon. Order Archaeopterydials. This order were found from Upper Devonian to Lower Carboniferous. Extinct fern-like plants. The order is represented by Archaeopteris with about 15 species. Archaeopteryx had pinnately divided leaves with all pinna and pinnules in the same plane. A pinna bore either sterile pinnules or fertile pinnules or sometimes both. Sporangia were found on the adaxial side of the fertile pinnules and were borne on pedicels. Some species of Archaeopteryx were heterosporous. ये जो ऑर्डर है आर्कियोप्टेरिडिल्स, इसके अंदर जो प्लांट्स थे वो जो पाए जाते थे वो अपर डिवोनियन में से लेकर लोअर कार्बोनिफेरस तक है. इसमें जो ऑर्डर है आर्कियोप्टेरिक्स, इसमें 15 स्पीशीज है और जो लीव्स है वो पिनेटली डिवाइडेड लीव्स है. और जो लीव्स होती है पिन्ने में, कुछ में स्टीराइल है उसके पिन्ने और कुछ में फर्टाइल होती है, कुछ में दोनों टाइप की पाई जाती है. और जो स्पोरेंजिया पाया जाता है वो उसके अडेक्सियल साइड में पाया जाता है. तो एंड वर फाउंड ऑन द, उनके पेडिसल्स होती है अडेक्सियल अपर साइड ऑफ लीव. सम स्पीशीज ऑफ आर, सम स्पीशीज में हेटेरोस्पोरस पाई गई है. The next class under the division Phyllocophyta is Eusporangiopsida. They include the most primitive ferns. The Eusporangiopsida are characterized by the Eusporangia type of sporangium development, which are several cells or initials take part in the formation of each sporangium. The sporangia are large, thick-walled and lack an annulus, spore content high. These are the characteristics of the class Eusporangiopsida. The antheridia are sunk in the gametophytic tissue. Each antheridium produces large number of multiflagellated antherozoids. The class includes two order Ophioglosses and Meratiales. तो जो क्लास यूस्पोरेंजियोप्सिडा है उसमें जो एंथ्रीडियम होता है वो गैमेटोफाइट के अंदर धंसा हुआ होता है और हर एक जो एंथ्रीडियम है उसमें नंबर ऑफ मैनी एंथ्रोजोइड जो मल्टीफ्लैजिलेटेड होते हैं. इस क्लास के अंदर दो ऑर्डर्स हैं, ऑफियोग्लोसिल्स एंड मेराटियल्स. जो ऑर्डर है ऑफियोग्लोसिल्स, इसमें सिर्फ लिविंग मेंबर ही मिले हैं. इसका हमें कोई भी जीवाश्म पादप या फॉसिल्स नहीं मिले हैं. दे आर मेनली टेरेस्ट्रियल होते हैं और ओकेशनली एपिफाइटिक. तो ये बहुत का रेयर है कि ये मतलब ओकेशनली एपिफाइटिस होते हैं. मैक्सिमम ये टेरेस्ट्रियल होते हैं, स्थलीय ही होते हैं. In all members, the fertile region of the frond takes the form of a spike or pinnately branched structures clearly set off from the vegetative portion. तो जो फ्रॉन्ट का जो फर्टाइल रीजन है वहां से एक जिसको हम बोलते हैं फर्टाइल जो स्ट्रक्चर उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग स्पाइक, और वो होता है पिनेटली ब्रांच स्ट्रक्चर होता है और ये वेजिटेटिव पोर्शन के वहीं से निकला हुआ होता है. ऑफियोग्लोसिस लीव्स आर नॉट सर्सिनेटली कॉइल्ड. When young, this feature separates the ophioglosses from other living forms. They grow marginally from more or less flat primordium. हम देखते हैं मैक्सिमम जो फर्न्स होता है उनका जो फीचर होता है वो सर्सिनेटली कॉइल्ड होते हैं. जो यंग लीव्स होती है, ये जो फीचर है ये ऑफियोग्लोसम की यंग लीव्स में नहीं पाया जाता है. इसलिए ये जो और लिविंग मेंबर्स हैं फर्न्स के, उससे इसको अलग करती है. और दे ग्रो होते हैं मार्जिनली फ्रॉम द फ्लैट लीफ प्राइमोडियम से. लीफ बेस मोर और लेस grasping with thin stipules. The sporangia are borne on fertile spikes. जो sporangia है वो fertile spikes पे grow करते हैं. The gametophyte is subterranean, saprophytic and without chlorophyll. It contains an endophytic fungus. तो इसका जो gametophyte होता है वो subterranean होता है. Saprophytic means it grows on dead मैटर्स, डेड लिविंग मैटर्स एंड विदाउट क्लोरोफिल होता है, क्लोरोफिल नहीं पाया जाता है। और इसके अंदर एक एंडोफाइटिक फंगस पाया जाता है। इसका जो गैमेटोफाइट होता है उसके अंदर द ऑर्डर इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय 3 जनरा ऑफियोग्लोसम, जिसको कि हम कहते हैं एडर्स टंग, बॉट्रिकियम जिसे कि हम बोलते हैं मूनबर्ड एंड हेलमिंथोस्टिकाइस। ये हैं ऑफियोग्लोसम और बॉट्रिकियम की इमेजेस हैं। तो ये देखिए इसकी लीफ है और ये इसके यहाँ से इसके ये स्पाइक ग्रो कर रहा है। ये बॉट्रिकियम है, ये लीव्स है और इसके अंदर स्पोरोफोर डेवलप कर रहे हैं। मेराटिल्स Meratils are a small group of ferns and have a remarkably rich fossil record that extends back to the Carboniferous. They are exclusively tropical. The Meratils are mostly large ferns with thick fleshy leaves. The young leaves show circinate vernation, leaf not divided into sterile and fertile segments. तो इससे कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स है। ये देखिए जो ऑर्डर मेराटिल्स है ये होमोस्पोरस होते हैं एंड यूस्पोरेंजिएट स्पोरेंजिया आर अरेंज्ड इन रोसोराई ऑन द लोअर सरफेस ऑफ द लीव्स। एग्जांपल ऑफ फॉसिल जनरा आर मेगाफाइटोन एंड प्यूरोनिकस। तो ये मेगाफाइटोन की इमेजेस है कि ये लार्ज साइज ट्रीज होते थे। दिस क्लास इज एन Next class is Protoleptosporangiopsida. This class is an ancient group of ferns with a fossil record back to Permian and the survivors are described as living fossils. तो इस क्लास के अंदर जो ferns रखे गए हैं वो ancient group है with a fossil, जिनका रिकॉर्ड है वो back to Permian मिलता है और जिनके जो सर्वाइवर्स हैं जो भी इस क्लास के उनको हम बोलते हैं लिविंग फॉसिल्स। This group is intermediate between the eusporangiate ferns and the leptosporangiate ferns, but does not necessarily link the two groups phylogenetically. ये जो प्रोटोलेप्टोस्पोरेंजियोप्सिडा के जो मेंबर्स हैं वो एक इंटरमीडिएट रोल प्रदान करते हैं यूस्पोरेंजिएट और लेप्टोस्पोरेंजिएट फर्न के बीच का, लेकिन हम इसे कहते हैं फाइलोजेनेटिकली लिंक्ड नहीं है। Sporangia are not strictly leptosporangiate, do not form sori and indusium is absent. तो हम नहीं कह सकते हैं कि ना तो इसको स्ट्रिक्टली लेप्टोस्पोरेंजिएट बोल सकते हैं और इसके अंदर सोराई नहीं बनते हैं, इंडूशियम इसके अंदर एब्सेंट होती है। इस क्लास के अंदर सिंगल ऑर्डर है ऑस्मुंडेल्स। जो इसके जो एक्सटिंक्ट जनरा है वो है ऑस्मुंडाइट्स, जेलेस्किया, थैमनेटेरिस और जो लिविंग जनरा है वो है ऑस्मुंडा, टोडिया, लेप्टोटेरिस। तो ये जो है ये है ऑस्मुंडा है, ये देखिए रॉयल फर्न है ये। यहाँ देखिए आप सोराई नहीं बन रहे हैं इसके अंदर। और ये है टोडिया। क्लास लेप्टोस्पोरेंजियोप्सिडा, Leptosporangia ferns. This is the largest group of living ferns. The group is characterized by the sporangium which develops from a single initial. Sporangium small, wall, one cell thick, annulus usually present होता है। स्पोर कंटेंट लो होती है, जो लेप्टोस्पोरेंजिएट फर्न्स होती है उनमें कंटेंट कम होती है। मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर होमोस्पोरस बट सम वाटर फर्न्स आर हेटेरोस्पोरस। In heterosporous forms, the sporangia are born in a specialized structure called the sporocarps. जो हेटेरोस्पोरस फॉर्म्स है उनके अंदर स्पोरेंजिया, स्पोरोकार्प्स उनके अंदर बनता है। Reamer in 1954 and Smith in 1955 have divided the class into three orders. These orders are Felicales, Marsupials, and Salviniales. In the order Felicales, the characteristic features of this order are they are homosporous, leptosporangiates, terrestrial, sometimes epiphytic. Or the order included under sporangia are usually born on the abaxial side of the sporophyll, solitary or in sori. तो जो स्पोरेंजिया बनता है वो उसके अबैक्सियल साइड पे होता है, लोअर सरफेस पे ऑफ द स्पोरोफिल, और वो अकेला भी हो सकता है और इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सोराई. Group of sporangium make a group known as the sori. Homosporous, these are homosporous होते हैं. The wall of the sporangium is of single layer of cells with an annulus. The gametophytes are usually thalloid, green and surface living with their sex organs borne on the ventral sides. Reimers in 1954 has divided the order into 7 families. These families are Sigiaceae, Galacniaceae, Metoniaceae, Hymenophyllaceae, Dixoniaceae, Scythiaceae, and Polypodiaceae. In the family Sigiaceae, the genus included in this family have the following characteristic feature. These are as follows: tropical or subtropical in distribution. In all of them, the sporangia borne singly on the margin or close to the margin. They are not grouped into sori. इसमें group नहीं बनते हैं sori के. Each sporangium has a ring-shaped terminal annulus. The sporangium bases longitudinally, but there is no mechanism of spore charge. जो स्पोरेंजियम होता है उसके ऊपर एक रिंग शेप का टर्मिनल उसका एनुलस होता है, और जो स्पोरेंजियम रेसिस करता है लॉन्गिट्यूडनली, इसमें सब पर्टिकुलर जो मैकेनिज्म होता है स्पोर डिस्चार्ज का वो नहीं पाया जाता. देयर आर 5 जनरा in this family. These genera are Sigia, Lygodium, Actinostracheis, Anemia, Moharia, and about 160 species. The two genera Lygodium and Sigia are best known. Sigiaceae, this is the picture of Sigia. Family Galacniaceae, the family is represented by 130 species belonging to two genera Galactinia and Stromatopteris. Galacnia, this is a picture of Galacnia. In the family Metoniaceae, sporangia are sessile and developed simultaneously. Sori are protected by umbrella-shaped indusia. Sporangia have a obliquely vertical incomplete annulus without definite stomium. The family is represented by two genera Metonia and Phanerosaurus with restricted distribution. Metonia, here you can see the beautiful Metonia picture. Family Hymenophyllaceae, the members of the family are commonly called filmy ferns because the leaves are extremely thin, usually one layer of cells thick except for the veins. इसकी जो पत्तियां होती है इसमें जो होती है वो काफी पतली होती है, इसलिए इसको हम फिल्मी फर्न्स कहते हैं. They are found in moist habitats in the tropics and subtropics where they grow on the soil or as epiphytes. The family included two genera, Hymenophyllum and Trichomans. Hymenophyllum, this is the picture of Hymenophyllum. Creeping as well as tall arborescent form are come under the family Dixoniaceae. Sori are marginal and are protected by two overlapping indusium. Sporangium descends transversely by means of its oblique annulus. Examples are Dixonia, Sebaceum and Pulsita. This is the picture of Dixonia. Family Cythiaceae. Popularly known as tree ferns, mostly they are tree-like with the crown of unusually large pinnately compound leaves at the apex of the stem. Sori are found on lower surface on the veins of the fronds. Each sorus is of graded type. Indusium may or may not be excuse me, not be present. Examples are Cythia, Alsophylla and Helmetalia. This is the picture of Cythia. Cythia, here you can see how sori are arranged on the veins. Family Polypodiaceae. This is the largest family containing about 170 genera and 7,000 species. The sporangia are grouped in sori on the lower surface of the leaf. Sori are of mixed type and may be naked or protected by indusium. Indusium either false or true. Sporangium have a definite stomium and usually contain 32 to 64 spores. The prothallus is green, dorsiventral and cordate. Prothallus is monoecious. Antheridia and Archegonia are developed ventrally. Antheridial wall consists of two ring cells and a single cap cells. Christensen has divided the family Polypodiaceae into 15 subfamilies according to the phylogenetic lines. A few of them with their important genera are as follows. Subfamily Develoideae, Develia, Nephrolapis. Subfamily Pteridoideae, example Pteridium and Pteris. This is a picture of Pteris. Subfamily Gymnogrammatidae, subfamily Aspilenoideae, subfamily Dryopteridoideae, example is Dryopteris. Family Polypodiaceae, taken as a whole, Polypodiaceae show great diversity of growth forms, morphology and anatomy that no one can be cited to be representative of the group. The gametophytic generation of all ferns is remarkably similarly. The subsequent embryogen is rather uniform within the Polypodiaceae. Order Marsilieae. The order includes aquatic and subaquatic ferns which grow in mud or submerged in water, rooting in the mud. They have creeping branched rhizomes, bearing at intervals erect leaves with long petioles. Heterosporous fossils have not been known. Sporangia are produced within the hard and bean-shaped structure called sporocarps. Sporangia occur in the graded sori. Leaves show circinate vernation. The common representatives of the order includes Marsilia, Pilularia and Ragnaridium. Marsilia is also known as water clover. This is the picture of Marsilia. Here you can see the sporocarp. Order Salviniales. They are small floating plants which are also known as water ferns. Sporophylls are aquatic, floating, not rooted to bottom, leaf sessile. Sporangia in sac-like sporocarp representing a single sorus whose indusium forms sporocarp wall. Not known as fossil, the common representative includes Azula. It is also known as mosquito fern. and Salvinia water spangles. This is the picture of Salvinia. Thank you.